But fluorine is not called a closed shell because it's 7 electron present. It has ability to gain one more electron, so that it become octet configuration. How to gain electron for fluorine? I will take example fluorine. So fluorine example taken. One fluorine is F having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means this fluorine is contributing 1 electron in the bond formation with another atom. I will take another also fluorine. Now, this F contains same 7 electrons. Just for the convenient purpose, small change of symbol, cross method. First atom, dot method. Second atom, cross method. Meaning same only, number of cross equal number of valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 1 electron given for the bond formation. Now, this pair is called bond pair. Bond pair. Bond pair is sharing by both atoms. That is sharing by first fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octet. So this has octet configuration fulfilled. That side fluorine. Same. Containing octet configuration. This also having 8 electrons. Now, this is called Lewis dot method for the formation of fluorine molecule. Now it is called F single line. This single line is called single covalent bond. This meaning is called single covalent bond. That means fluorine molecule made up of two atoms joined by one bond or one bond pair electrons. So number of bond pair electrons equal number of covalent bonds. Fluorine molecule made up of only single bond. Okay. Now I will take oxygen. First atom. Valence electron 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it is not called closed shell configuration because requirement of 2 more electrons to attain octet configuration. Now second atom, I will take second oxygen atom. This also not having octet configuration. So donation of 6 electrons. Out of 6, 2 in the bond formation. Remaining 4 electrons non-bonding. Now here how many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs, a double bond pair. 2 bond pair, double bond pair. So these 2 bond pairs sharing by both atoms. Sharing by oxygen and oxygen. That is given as like this. Oxygen. It is called O2 molecule. O2 molecule. So O2 molecule is made up of 2 bond pairs, a double bond. That means 2 covalent bonds. There are 2 covalent bonds. A double bond. Double bond. Double bond means double. Double means 2 electron, 2 bonds. Okay. That is for same elements. We can also take for different also same method. For example, carbon. Carbon having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 valence electrons. I'll take in the cross model. Second atom, take hydrogen atom. Has only 1 electron. Another hydrogen atom. Now, how many bonds? 4 single bonds are there. 4 single bonds. But central carbon has one pair, two, three, four pairs, 8 electrons, octet. So carbon, okay, octet attainment. Then what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is not octet, it is called duplet. It is called duplet. Duplet is equal to helium. This is also noble gas, stable one. That means all elements have tendency to attainment of 8 electrons, except one atom in the table, that is hydrogen atom. It has only duplet configuration, stable one. Now this compound in the Lewis dot method can now use the bond line method. Bond line method means one bond pair equal to one single bond. One single bond. So one single bond H. Single. You can draw anywhere, no geometry, because Lewis series does not give geometry. That is called methane, CH4. So methane molecule is made up of 4 single covalent bonds, so that carbon attainment of 8 electrons, remaining are having 2 electrons, duplet. But some of them are not 8 electrons. Example is that is nothing but violation of octet. Means octet rule not follow or disobey. Example, beryllium. Beryllium having 2 electrons only. 2 electrons. Suppose reacting with chlorine. Cl has 7 electrons, 1 for bond formation, remaining 6 as non-bonding. Same also here, 1 in the bond formation, remaining 1 in the non-bonding. Now, check how many electrons. For beryllium, only 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. But to chlorine, okay, octet. So, chlorine has octet. Octet. Center missing. Which is center? Beryllium. Beryllium is disobey. Disobey octet. That means every molecule does not contain octet rule. Maximum compounds having octet, some of them missing. The example is BeCl2 is not following octet configuration. Okay, thank you.